Welcome to Curls by Sharlene. Today I'm going to share with you my routine on how I style my hair with the Lotta Body Setting Lotion. It says firm sets and silky sheen. I've had to pour the liquid into my hand and then rake it through because it's a very watery consistency. It's liquid basically. It's not something that easily stays in your hand. So I would have thought they could put it in a spray bottle. Maybe that's what I should have done to save the product. Otherwise you're just using loads of this product, but let's see how it goes. As usual, I always start off with wet hair, so I'm wetting my hair with water and then adding the product. I'm doing the raking method. If you're interested to know how to do the raking method, I did another video. I'm going to put a link below. Please watch it. It's versus the praying hands method. I must say this did smell quite nice. It wasn't a strong perfume kind of smell. Honestly, I can't actually describe what it smells like, but it smells nice. So maybe if you know what it smells like, leave a comment below. I'd like to know what you think it smells like, but it's sort of its own smell. I can't really give a description of what it smells like. I'm just having a look at the ingredients, and there's aqua, so water, polyquidrinium 11. I looked this up and it says it's generally recommended for mousses and creams, and it's a silicone, so it's not water soluble, but it is water miscible, so it's good to use if your hair is relaxed. I guess it moisturizes your hair, it can protect the hair. I guess it tries to prevent it from damage, but I wouldn't recommend us just using this product. This product isn't very curly girl friendly, so I wouldn't recommend using it, but if you do decide to use it, please do an apple cider vinegar rinse. I've got a video on it. This removes silicones, but I wouldn't use this product regularly. I think I only use this product twice. As I said, it's very watery, so the bottle only lasted me twice. There's about a third left of the bottle, so probably 3 uses, but for a whole product you only use it 3 times. It's not really worth it, is it? But it's up to you. I must say there's lots of slip. It's soft. My hair feels soft, maybe because it's a liquid, and possibly because there's silicone, which has that effect. But it was doing the job. However, I did do this. I did use this quite a few months ago. If I had known there was silicone, I would not have used this product. So I would not recommend using this product because it's got silicones and it looks like it's got a paraben in it as well. But it's up to you. If you're happy to use silicones in your hair now, that's fine. But for me, nope. However, I must say there are some benefits to using this Lotta Body. Now this is so helpful. On the bottle it actually gives you directions on how to use it. It says dilute for hair type. Okay. On normal hair, 2 to 3 parts water to 1 part Lotta Body. On tinted hair and bleached hair, 4 to 5 parts water and 1 part Lotta Body. Apply to damp hair, comb through evenly, blow style or set. If hair dries before set is finished, add more as needed. I mean, that's really helpful. They even told you it's best to do it this way and that way. I can't say I'll be blow drying my hair. I can't say I'll be combing my hair either. But it is very helpful, so big up to them. Well done. It also says this is a salon favorite for years. Lotta Body R is perfect for wet setting, blow styling, or waving natural or relaxed hair. Okay. Dries fast, won't flake, bonds to hair to help overcome porosity and seal split ends. So whoever made this product, they knew what they were talking about. Just why add the silicones? Creates a firm hold, yet is easy to comb gives hair a fabulous body and shine. Now, there is a bit of hold. It does feel firm, but I wouldn't say it's a strong hold. So I think they used the right words by saying firm hold and not strong hold, because the minute you crunch, that's it. So I'm not sure this definition is actually going to last me for that long. It probably won't. Maybe it's best to use it for the day or the next day, but the hold is not going to stay for 7 or 8 days per se. That is disappointing. But anyway, this blue water, the infamous blue water that was used years ago, I can't say I ever used it, but I know this is an old product. I mean, years ago I was in Zimbabwe, I never ever saw this product. Maybe you did. Now I'm in the UK and I've seen the product. It does say it's made in the USA, San Diego, so it's probably something they used for years. Just watching it, I can remember having to use more and more liquid. So you put the first coat, there you go, and then have to add more and rake it through. I mean, it does look defined, but I guess once it starts drying, it already looks frizzy, like a frizz ball, like I'm just adding water. Okay, so we're almost there with the styling of the hair. Tell me, what do you think? How does it look so far? Does it look like it's going to be defined? It looks like there's a lot of volume. Like, I'm having to go back over and over and over again with this liquid. How's it gonna come out? I must say the definition is there, like you can see the ringlets, but they don't look like tight curls, they look more like loose curls. So maybe that's the effect of the product. As you can see, I had to add more and more because it was just getting frizzy, and I guess it does dry quickly. The results, dry results, I did air dry. Look at that volume, but there's no definition, is there? It's more of an afro, which is nice. However, the definition is not there at all. When it was still wet, you could have wet plopped it to define the curls more, but I didn't do that. I just let it air dry. So yeah, what do you think? There's not much of a crunch. It's a light hold, as I said, and it's frizzy. I look like a lion, but I like it. Tell me what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.